Brother crippin', I'm drippin', you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my cheese.
Heading in. Man, I just got out front of the fire station. So, just hooked up to my trailer. Yeah, I got me a load book, you know, paying about, I think it was like $350, $360, I don't know. It's $3 something a mile. Pay really, really good. So, I just left the fire station. I'm supposed to go back to work tomorrow, but I got somebody working my shift for me. I'm about to go get this money. So, I'm pre-trip my trailer. I'm holler at y'all. Whoa, what's happening? Man, I'm headed up to Oklahoma right now. They're heading up here. It's worth it. I already did all my calculations and everything, so I'm gonna make plenty of money. So I'm good, man. Oh, I forgot how much the load pay. I need to look at the paperwork again. I think it paid like $3.79 a mile or something like that. I don't remember. I got about like 400 something miles to go with it, so you know, do your calculation. I'm finna make the bankroll with it. I'm holla at y'all though. Still sitting outside and they want to talk.
Alright, go down. Eat down. Okay, come in. Whoa.
Can you pull the back of it back that way?
Yeah. Come my way?
Yeah, with the back.
Yeah, back out. Lift up. Lift up. Back out. Go down. Go down. Back out.
So this my load. 4 straps. Y'all see how good those tires look, right? So I just noticed something. I've probably been missing it because it's been sitting on this pole, that tire. So I just pray to God that nothing happened to it before I can get home and change it. I got a spare that's good. I just checked the spare when I was doing my pre-trip, so I know it's good, but man, I ain't got my spare jack with me that I use for this thing. So, Lord, please let me make it home. In Jesus' name. What's happening? I'm on this bumpy road, man. Up in Oklahoma on 69. Headed down to the Houston area. Got drop off in Humble. But try to make it a Conroe before I shut down. Probably gonna run out of time. I don't know. But Conroe is about 30 miles from Humble. So my goal is to make it to Conroe, or right outside of Conroe. It's a little truck stop before you get to Conroe. Man, this bouncing gonna make me dizzy. Man, I don't know why I don't think about this when I come up here, man. Those freaking tolls, man. Them tolls been eating me up, man. Hey, man, you gotta, when you booking loads, you gotta count all your expenses, man. Now, I forgot about the tolls, but the thing is for me that I got so much per mile on this load that, you know, I ain't really tripping, because what I got on this load can make up for it.
Cause I'm a grinder, I get money for real, cause I'm a grinder, I get money for real. Let the light hit on the ice, the chain keeps swinging, love women with.
Yeah, a lot of people want to run Hotshot. Yeah, you better be prepared for when stuff happen. So earlier I showed y'all that the tire I had that was slick, which it comes from it being drug across the ground, because I got a split axle, making sharp turns it'll drag that front axle. So, you know, when stuff happen, the big trucks, they got help. The small trucks don't have help. So I had to call a tow truck, come switch it out, because I left my jack at the house. I got a 18-wheeler jack, but I was having problems with it. Kept losing pressure, so I'm gonna have to buy another. It costs about $90 or something like that. So I'm getting the tire swapped out now. See, but I had a good spare though, and I got 2 other new tires at the house. So whenever I get back home, I'll just put the tires on the new rim. I mean, put a new tire on the rim, and have me another spare. So it's all good. That one didn't blow out. I just prayed all the way down here that it didn't blow out, and I made it. So no complaints. It's about to cost me $125 for to get it swapped out, but it is what it is. I'm trying to get some light. Yeah, it's gonna cost me $125 to get the tire swapped out, with something I could have did myself, but I didn't have the proper equipment, so just gotta bite the bullet and pay it. Just finished eating my Burger King while old boy changed my tire out.
Where does this spare tire go?
You just sit by the trailer. I'll put it back up there.
Okay.
$125. Swap out the tire. Something I could have done myself. But when you don't have the right equipment, guess what? You gotta pay. That's why you gotta keep that maintenance fund up to par. If your maintenance fund ain't up to par, guess what? You ain't gonna make it on that road. Try to tell you. Gotta have that bankroll. Here we go. Yo, what's happening? Just left from getting unloaded, I guess at this warehouse or wherever, here in Humble. So I just left there. I'm headed up to Longview to pick up my next load. So I'm gonna drop that today also. So y'all know how I do. 2 drops one day. That's how I roll. That's my full load, baby. Got a whole empty trailer. 2 totes. Time to drop this off. This is my second drop of the day.
Get money, we gon' get money. Them boy fresh, but they not this stunning. When I walk by, even smell like money. Dope man clean, not the dirt. They ain't know me. Get money, we gon' get money. Them boys
hauling this oil field crap. Well, chemicals for the oil field. Gotta come down all these lease roads, back roads, straight to the oil field site.